Oh my God, what the hell?
Oh my goodness, no, that is... Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing my AliExpress nail haul. So I've had a couple of these things since maybe March and I'm finally getting it out now. A lot of these things are going to be bright summery things, but towards the end I do show some Halloween things, some Christmas things. I tried to somewhat get this out in a timely fashion so that if you did want the Halloween or Christmas things, you'd be able to get it in time. I received my Halloween and Christmas stuff 2 weeks after I ordered it, so if you guys do get those things, I hope you get them as quick as I did. So to get started, I got myself a couple of polishes. I got reflective ones, magnetic ones, a combination of the two. I also got a magnet, but these all got lost. So mini story time. I ordered these polishes in February and I got a majority of them sometime in July. The last one trickled in just before July ended. Prior to that, I had messaged the sellers and they're like, oh, don't worry, give it some time, give it a couple of days. However, when I did message them, this was back in March sometime, I ended up filing a dispute and they all magically messaged me and was like, close the dispute, it's bad for the business. And I'm like, okay, let me not do you guys like that. I ended up closing the dispute and I got the stuff about a month or two later. I honestly don't mind buying from AliExpress. I know a lot of people hate it. I don't mind the waiting times. My only gripe with it is this a potentially lost package? Because sometimes when it sits wherever it sits for months, it's like, maybe this package is gone forever, I'm never gonna see it. But luckily I did get my items and I love all the polishes that I got. I haven't really used cat eye very much, so the ones I got are darker colors and I can't wait to use them during the colder months. I put them on a black background so you could see them a little bit better, and I also put my phone's flash on it so you could see some of the reflective ones. Next, I got the P-Vadco full cover tips. So I've had these for a really long time. I use them in pretty much every single video. These arrived pretty fast. I ordered some in August, I want to say, and I got them pretty quickly. These are the 3XLs. They also have 5 now. I also got myself some stiletto shaped ones because I've never done a stiletto nail set before. I figured if I didn't like it, I could just cut them down and turn them into coffin. I like them on other people. I just think it wouldn't suit me, but I'm gonna do a nail set and see how I like them. I got a whole bunch of rhinestones, and this is because on TikTok when they're doing those rhinestone scoop stuff, I'm like, AliExpress might just have some of these. So I went on there, lo and behold they have so many, so I went crazy and just bought a whole bunch, and it's of course so much cheaper on there. I got all types of rhinestones. I got the mocha ones, the canine ones, the regular ones, and I also got them in different shapes and sizes. I also got this free gift from the VDD store. At first, all I wanted was navy blue canine crystals, but for some reason I can't find that color on AliExpress, so I ordered the 2 bluish ones. Then I ended up seeing all of this and I said I have to have it. I mean, I don't have to have it, but it was just too pretty to pass up, so I got it. And now I feel like my rhinestones have elevated because I have basic rhinestones and not much of it, but these, I feel like everyone needs to have these. They are so nice. The clarity on a lot of these are astonishing, so I'm encouraging everyone to get them. Next are these crystals, and they have a 2-tone shift. I really like these ones because the shift of them are somewhat subtle, so looking at them they look like one color, but when you move it to the side a little bit, you see that second color come through. And this is the free gift that they gave me. It just seems to be random colors. Not gonna lie, the vibe I get from this is like a couple of rhinestones fell on the floor, they packaged it and said, hey, free gift. I don't know, but that's just like the vibe I was getting. Next are the canine rhinestones. So I had seen navy blue on Lexi's live and that's all I wanted, but I didn't want to pay the shipping just for that. So I looked on AliExpress. They had every color but navy blue, so I gave up and I bought those 2 bluish colors, but I really do want navy blue. I'm going to keep looking for them, but if I can't find them, I might just have to go back to Lexi and purchase it from her. I got some of these mocha hearts and I really like the aurora effect on top of them. I also got more of the mocha crystals, but in different shapes. I honestly can't wait to use all of these because these are brighter colors. I don't think I'm going to use them till maybe next year. I don't know, it just depends on what sets I do. But I'm planning on doing my full sets and kind of like the seasonal stuff. So if I see that it fits in a set, I'll use it. Next are these hearts, and they came in 4 different bags, but I think they're the same colors throughout. Next, I got some of these rhinestone letters, and I also got some of these Libra charms. I hope to use the Libra charms for my birthday set. I honestly haven't figured out exactly what I want to do for that set. All I know is the colors that I want, and I also know that I want rhinestones, but I think I'm gonna freestyle that set. I had seen these letter charms on Shein and I added it to my basket, but I had seen that P Vadco was selling these cheaper, so I decided to get it from AliExpress instead. Next, I got some regular rhinestones. These were like $2.50, I believe, and I wanted to get one of every color, but I had to stop myself because I was buying far too much at this point. Now for the nail charms. I found so many good things, and there are things that I found that I didn't even buy that I told myself I'm just gonna save for later. I decided to get some brown kawaii charms for the full time. I wanted to see how a brown kawaii set would look. Some of the charms don't look the best, but I will say they do look realistic. Like the pretzel, if I put that in a bag of flips, you wouldn't even know it. But some of these are cute and I will be using them. I got some of these Mickey Mouse heads, and I'm so upset because I ordered another one similar to this and it's been stuck somewhere in Chicago for months, and I really wanted to show you guys that one. When I do get it, I'll show it in a video, but I really wish it would have came with all of this stuff. I also got some Minnie Mouse heads. They have quite a few different colors. I opted to get the mix pack so I could have that variety. In the next part of my video, it's going to be me as I was recording because the next pack of charms kind of caught me by surprise. I just wasn't expecting some of them. I don't even know how to describe it. I'm just happy that I caught my reaction and it was good enough to put in the video, but I'm gonna be laughing a lot because some of the stuff I had seen, my goodness, but here it is. I don't know if that's Mickey Mouse showing me cheeks, but I don't know what's going on here, but I think that's Mickey Mouse. That's all I can say.
Oh my God, what the hell?
Oh my goodness, no, that is... Oh my goodness, no. Oh my goodness, I'm just like leaning back on my chair because I don't even want to look at it. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. It's not even like, it's not even zooming in. Hold on, let's get everybody else out of the picture because what the hell is this? Wait, no, wait, let me compose myself because wait. Oh my goodness, like this whole pack of charms, no ma'am, scary. Like what's up with Minnie's? Like, first of all, why is she dirty? Second of all, who took a chunk out of her ear? Third, the eyes are just the eyes. Oh my goodness, there's so much going on here. And okay, no, this one's okay, but oh, there's so much. No. There is so much to unpack here, but I don't think I'm going to be using these ones. What happened? Oh, goodness. So it's finally quiet in my house. I guess I can actually speak on this part because this part is just too chaotic for me. My goodness, like, what happened to these charms? It's not even focusing, but this one's missing an eye. We've already seen that one. I might actually do a nail set using that for Halloween because that's the only time it's acceptable to have that on your nails. There's just so much going on with it. Like, what happened? It's not even focusing, but do I even want to bring it up close and scare people? Like,
a lot of people will be scared here.
The Winnie the Pooh one isn't that bad, but hold on. Let me show you what I'm seeing. The mouth area is kind of scary, but it's not as bad. It's not as bad as Minnie Mouse, but oh my goodness. So I just found another Winnie the Pooh, and he has a tongue, and the other one doesn't. I think some of these have just gone through hell, and the paint has just wiped off of it, but I will be using this one and not this one. Or I could just paint the tongue back. I don't know, but scary. These are cute. I mean, not the one on the left, but oh man, maybe I need to paint some of these, but these are cute. I wasn't speaking at this part, but I also got some Halloween kawaii charms. The material that some of these are made out of, I think, just makes it to where they smudge on each other because the ghost is looking kind of dirty. If I do use that one, I can just use some alcohol and it would probably get rid of it, but some of these are just looking like so crazy. Oh, I like these ones. That Minnie Mouse honestly belongs in this packet. Woo! Like, the Halloween ones are looking cuter than that Minnie Mouse was. These are a lot bigger than I thought, but I love them and I'm still going to use them. Okay, motorcycle. I'm planning on doing a Halloween kawaii set. I hope that looks good, but that is why I got these. So that is it for me speaking whilst recording. I should have done it for the whole video, but I feel like when I do that, it's very unstructured. As you can tell, I was just laughing the whole entire time. Like, that Minnie Mouse is definitely gonna appear in somebody's nightmares, I swear. But let me know if I should do more videos like that. It definitely is a lot more easier than a voiceover. So back to the video. I also got some Christmas kawaii charms. I mostly got this for the reindeers. Next, I got these candy charms. I got 2 of them. I love how these look. I could just stare at them and not do a set with them, but because they are so pretty, I am going to do a set with them. I got these Hello Kitty charms. I think there is 50 in here, but each bow are different colors. I think it's 4 different colors and there is 10 of each. Next, I got these molds, and I've seen these kawaii charms being sold everywhere, like Amazon, AliExpress, etc. But I found the mold for it, so I'm gonna try and make my own. I also got some other molds from Shein, which when I eventually get that haul out, you will see the ones I got because they have some Halloween ones. I also got quite a few stickers. I got a lot of character stickers. I got these Hello Kitty ones and I really want to use them for Valentine's Day. I got some of these melted smiley face stickers, and these Barbie stickers are probably my favorite. When I had seen them, I added it to my cart so fast. Next, I got these Mickey and Minnie Mouse stickers. Me talking about this only brings me back to those horrific charms. I also got some Disney princess stickers. They had such a variety of these and I couldn't pick. I got some Mickey and Minnie Mouse Christmas stickers. Next are these Demon Slayer stickers. So Megan Thee Stallion's nail tech did a set for her, a Demon Slayer inspired one, sometime last year, but I couldn't execute it then, so I figured I would recreate it now and use some of these stickers. These were a rebuy. I've already shown this before, but I have used up quite a few of them, so I needed some more. These actually might be my favorite thing that I found. It's 24 sheets of stickers for $1.99. The shipping is about $1 or so, but 24 sheets of stickers for $3 isn't so bad. Each sheet has a different design. I don't show all of them because they are similar, but all of them are different. AliExpress had some pretty nice Halloween things. It's a shame because I couldn't find the same thing for Christmas items, but I'm still happy with my purchase and I can finally use these things now that I've got this haul out. It's a shame because some of the things I got are summery colors. There are brighter color charms. There's like the Barbie stuff. So some of these things might make an appearance next year because we are getting to like the holiday season where colors are muted. You're not gonna really be doing bright pinks. I mean, I might do a hot pink Barbie set during the Christmas season. Or I could do like a Barbie Christmas nail set. Not gonna lie, that sounds kind of crazy. Like the color combo just won't match, but that is it for my haul. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.